Jill's Steals and Deals is sponsored by Wells Fargo Credit Cards. Credit cards made for the way you live. That's real life ready.
Welcome back this morning on Steals and Deals. We are gearing up for the summer travel season with great items to help you stay organized on the go. Joining us is our friend today, lifestyle and commerce contributor Jill Martin Brooks. And be sure to scan our QR code if you want to just shop along right with us this morning. Good morning to you.
Nothing I want to talk about more. I am
just shop or going on a trip and shopping.
Yeah, like I'm summer ready. So
Yes.
I'm going to get you summer ready. And
Okay.
I just want to call out Wells Fargo credit card holders get special 24-hour early access to our Steals and Deals. So a lot of these are already popular.
Okay.
Let's start with the Nicole Miller wireless earbuds. So you know Nicole Miller.
Yes.
You know the qualities there, the brand, the fashion. But let's talk about the functionality of it. The retail, $59.99. The deal price, $19.
Ooh.
That's 68% off. Why I like this, I lose earbuds all the time.
Tell me about it.
And so just pay expensive prices
Yes.
and then lose them. I'm like, So this is great. $19. There's fun patterns.
And
there's
they're
fun
compatible
colors,
with-
compatible with Apple and Android.
Okay.
And you can use the tap feature to skip tracks and to take calls. So it makes them very easy to use. Again, the deal price, $19, 68% off. A Nicole Miller brand makes a great
I
gift
love that. And
also
look at
for
that.
Mother's
Isn't that
Day.
cute?
Lemonades
Yeah.
out of lemon.
Love,
That's
love,
our life.
love. Okay.
Okay. The Right in Stride Tri-Fold charging station. It's a 3-in-1 charger. The retail $149.99. The deal price is $35. That's 77% off. It's time to eliminate cords. You know, we're constantly doing this. You know, I love to cleanse and
Yes.
declutter. And so look at this one right here. It charges 3 items at once: phone, earbuds, wash.
Ooh.
And it's compatible with the USB-C. So you don't have to put additional cords on it.
right.
It literally leaves you.
And then
leave
when
it
you
like
charge
this.
it, you just charge the whole thing once.
Together,
like it all
once,
together.
and it all together, and then so you don't have cords all over the place, and
That's great.
Also, obviously, great for travel. The deal price is $35. That's 77% off.
That's a triumph, as you say.
Yeah, and then also a Triumph packing cubes.
You've made us we believe in it now.
Yeah,
These
packing cubes. If you haven't tried them, this is a trust me. It's a great way to travel. It has you pare down, but also pack in style. This is the Sulip 6-piece packing cube set. The retail $80. The deal price is $29. 64% off. A lot of packing cubes out there. Here's some of the video of why packing cubes is great. All of that fits in here. What you called out is a really important feature to this.
The mesh on the top.
Yeah, so you could see everything.
I like to be able to see what I'm putting in. But if you haven't used them yet, if you're not a believer yet, when you're packing, first of all, it just makes everything so much more organized so that when you get to where you're going and you open things up, it's just, there's a system to it.
There's a system.
And it compresses.
And each person from the family can pick a different color.
Yes, yes.
Okay, these are amazing. The Shorty Love travel bags. The retail price $88 to $298. The deal price $35 to $119. Up to 60% off. This is the one I use for all my toiletries. I love this. It's everything
things
fits.
inside? Oh,
There's
yeah.
organization on the side. It's
one.
lined. They're huge bags. This is an amazing brand, an amazing fabrication. You could wipe it off. They have huge ones.
Love.
Look at the
Ooh,
one
look
in
at
the
this
back.
one.
Just so great for travel. Stay organized. They have every iteration, crossbody. Again, $35 to $119.
It's a win.
Love this. Okay. Then next up, this is a great gift for travel and also for a great Father's Day gift as well. The Royce New York leather accessories retail $50 to $125. The deal price $25 to $50, up to 60% off and free shipping. Now look at the notebooks. It comes in a beautiful box.
Just smells
the
good.
carry-alls. I know it's actually handcrafted American leather.
Ooh.
The wallets have RFID protection in it. What I love about this, you can monogram up to 3 initials.
Ooh.
And it's included in the price. Again, free shipping up to 60% off. There's a passport holder, a wallet, a luggage tag, comes in the box with the bow, a notebook, fabulous.
Love.
Okay, last up.
Okay.
The Salt and Rays UPF 50 towel wrap. It has sunblock in it so that you can protect yourself if you're laying on the beach. $38 is the retail. Deal price $19. That's 50% off. It's 56 by 33, so it's big.
Yeah.
And so this is great. It's an essential, a sun towel to protect you during the warmer season. And it's
I love
also
this.
sand resistant. And when I say that, when the sand gets on it, it just sort of like
So cute.
comes off of it.
Yeah.
So this is great.
I've never used one of these.
Well, you can do it as a sarong.
Yeah.
Okay,
These
we have
were
to,
good.
Yeah,
All right, let's do these products
We have to
one
go.
more time.
I don't have an
I know, I'm like,
idea.
oh, these are good.
I'm like, what else?
Okay.
We have the Nicole Miller wireless earbuds, the Right in Stride Tri-Fold charging station, the Sulip 6-piece packing cube set, the Shorty Love travel bags, the Royce New York leather accessories, and the Salt and Rays UPF 50 Tower Rep. And I wish you beautiful adventures this summer.
You know, we
all
don't take for
deserve
granted
it.
that you're fabulous and you bring us fabulous things, just so you know.
I appreciate that.
Okay, and again, for these deals, scan that QR code or head to today.com/deals. And it is not too late to grab our special Shop Today staycation box there, too. We should mention Today makes a commission for purchases made through our links.